Good day and welcome once again to Pair Healthier Living. Dr. Sone here speaking for Pair Healthier Living. Today we want to talk about the kitchen trio, or precisely why the kitchen trio is good for your health. What is the kitchen trio? The kitchen trio is out of trio, of course, it's a derivative from signifying three things. So the kitchen trio is out of three products that can virtually help you in your kitchen. You know, many of our diseases, except maybe you have an accident or whatever, many diseases that become chronic in our bodies are actually being made by ourselves in our kitchen. That's why I want to help you to reduce the risk of you having some of these acquired diseases that come through what we eat virtually almost on a daily basis. So we have NAFCA. We'll be coming to that later. NAFCA just means natural food seasoning instead of artificial food seasoning. But we're coming back to that. Then we have in the middle we have the natural Celtic sea salt. We'll come into that. Then we have cayenne pepper in powder form. What is NAFCA? Ever when we ask our ladies, or better still, our customers who are women, we ask them, when you're cooking your food, how much salt do you put in it? Or better, sorry, not how much salt, how much sugar do you put in your food? It always comes back, they always come back with a nice smile, like, how will I be cooking my food and put sugar in it? So I'm asking you this question now, how much sugar do you put in your food when you're cooking? Virtually no one does that. Consciously putting sugar in food, especially those who are affected by chronic diseases like diabetes, hypertension, whom they tell at the hospital, please don't eat sugar. But now, knowingly or unknowingly, since many of these artificial spices have ingredients labeled on them with very small characters, many of us don't read. You can check your own artificial spices at home. What are the ingredients? So many of them do have sugar that virtually you eat on a daily basis. Even some of the people who are affected by diabetes, there is salt in it. Salt is something which is not good, especially the table salt out there in the market, because why? It has sodium chloride, which virtually goes into the body, drains you of water, and gives the body, or brings the body in a state where some of these diseases can easily manifest. And if they are already there, like hypertension, your blood pressure rises, kidney function goes down, and so on and so forth. So comparing it with the natural food seasoning, NAFCA, which is virtually completely out of natural ingredients, therein you have sweet potato, tiger nuts, ginger, turmeric, cayenne pepper as ingredients. So, what is in there that you cannot eat? Even if you are diabetic, sweet potato is a superfood. Even if you have diabetes, despite the fact that it is sweet, it even goes to suppress blood sugar and has a lot of other minerals that your body needs. So, instead of artificial seasonings, we encourage you to switch over to the natural food seasoning for your daily meals. Also, one aspect which is with many of the artificial food seasonings out there, they do also have salt in them. So you running away from salt, like I had an encounter with a lady who told me the husband is hypertensive. They went to the hospital. They told her, please, madam, when you're cooking food, do not use salt, but rather use Maggi. I just laugh. So you actually going out of the frying pan into fire, because why? Looking at the ingredients of that particular Maggi, it is worse than salt, because in there you already have salt at a very high percentage. Then added on that, you have other sodium derivatives in that particular spice, which of course can only go a long way to increase then the high blood pressure which is already existing. So it is not, of course, it's not only those who are already affected by high blood, but those who want to prevent high blood pressure and other chronic diseases, whom we recommend please on a daily basis, instead of sugar in your food, use natural ingredients. And so natural ingredients, okay, of course, natural ingredients are better than artificial ones. Anything which is refined by humans, taking it out of the natural form that God created it, is virtually not worth us consuming, but we do that on a daily basis unconsciously. So the next component of the kitchen tool that we have for you to help you virtually sit in your kitchen on a daily basis and prevent diseases instead of creating them is the natural Celtic sea salt. This one goes to replace the table salt we use in our kitchen daily. Table salt is sodium chloride. Just like we were talking about the ingredients in artificial spices, many of them which also have salt in them. Sodium chloride goes, or is one of the best feeders to make sure that either you already having hypertension and the blood pressure rises, or you are building hypertension yourself in your own kitchen. That's hypertension is high blood pressure. So the Celtic sea salt, unlike the table salt, which has just sodium chloride in it, and at times, depending on the need of the population, fluoride or iodine may be added into it. The natural Celtic sea salt, on the other hand, has more than 70 minerals that our bodies need. This salt does not go to dehydrate you. That's taking water out of the cells. It instead helps the body to make sure that the cells are adapted to the state in which God created them to be, so that why water is going into the cells, the right amount of water is going into the cells as it's supposed to be. It detoxifies our bodies naturally. So by the time we are using this salt on a daily basis, what would we are detoxifying our bodies. So even if we eating as natural as it is needed, if we go out there, in many places you may not even have trees around the streets, so pollution. So there are a lot of toxins that will inhale into our body. So the Celtic sea salt goes there to detoxify us naturally. It's also a very good salt that can help one to virtually have their diabetes under control. Please note it, having it under control, having hypertension under control, having heart disease under control. The contrary to sodium chloride, where many of us, okay, I ask us this question: if the food doesn't have salt, how does it taste? Don't eat salt. Yes, because why? Chronic diseases are there. Diabetes, hypertension, just to name these two, they are there. Don't eat salt, but then eat the Celtic sea salt, which even helps to regulate these conditions. A natural cleanser, which also goes there to alkalinize our body. Alkalinity of the body is what makes us to be fit naturally, to be able to fight diseases. Even cancer may not survive in a good, well alkalinized, oxygenated body. The next component of the trio that we have for you is the cayenne pepper. Here we offer it in powder form. Cayenne pepper is a product that really goes to complement the first two we spoke about, the natural food seasoning and the natural Celtic sea salt, because pepper is also something that we put in our foods almost on a daily basis. Now, there are some people who say, oh, I cannot eat pepper because why? I have gastritis, my stomach, when I eat pepper, I hear it rising right to my throat, because why? That acid start coming up. But cayenne pepper, God created something there which is really amazing. Cayenne pepper even goes to repair the stomach lining, what has been destroyed by gastritis. So it's a pepper that can be consumed virtually. Of course, you don't take and pour it in your food. If you pour much of it, you will still have a burning sensation. But then dosing it according to your health situation can help you repair what has been destroyed in the body. What can cayenne pepper do again? Cayenne pepper is an excellent one for those who have chronic pains like rheumatism, arthritis, joint pains of whatever nature, maybe like due to too much work and so on and so forth. Cayenne pepper can go a long way to help you slow down the pains. And another excellent health benefit of the cayenne pepper is that it helps to fight inflammation. Inflammation in the body is a natural process. That is a process where our bodies fight its own cells to prevent or to block anything that is coming to cause diseases. But on the other hand, when this inflammation then becomes chronic, it becomes negative, meaning that what? It causes diseases. Some diseases that are actually on the base of a chronic inflammation are things like rheumatism, arthritis, asthma, and even heart disease. Even cancer, when it meets an inflammation in the body, it tries more than a body which has mechanism to fight this inflammation. So this was just a short review, just to introduce the kitchen tray to you and tell you, and so that you can see how this is good for your own health. We'll be going detailing to each of the products later. So, Per Healthier Living, you know where we are. Some of you know, some don't know. But if you want to find out more about these products, you can contact us directly, either by call or WhatsApp. Our telephone numbers are right there. We are at the Bongo Square in Boya Fakoshi Plaza building. In order for you not to miss any of our upcoming videos, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. Then, if you know someone who could benefit from this information, who could say, oh, the kitchen tray is something for me, now I can start eating tasty foods which are naturally seasoned. Now I can get up at night and sleep. I can get up in the morning after a sound sleep without waking up at night because of pains and so on and so forth. Please share this video to them. Watch out for the next videos so that you shouldn't miss it. As I said, subscribe, share, and see you in the next edition.